we are on the other side of page 45, and I just realized we didn't write in our table of contents, or at least I didn't. So 44 was the surface area of prisms. 45 is surface area but of pyramids. And last time we did the surface area of a square pyramid, so guess what we're doing this time? The surface area of a triangular pyramid, which, as a reminder, is a pyramid that has a triangle for a base. So again, level 1 would be that grid paper net, which we will do something in class. I'm not going to show it to you right now. I feel like you know what's up. But I do want to show you what the net of a triangular pyramid would look like. This one is a little bit cut more what I was expecting the other one to be. Now notice how it comes in a little bit in the center. Notice how while the triangles look similar, this triangle is not the same as what the side triangles are. See how this one is equilateral, all three sides are the same length, and this one, these sides are longer. So something to keep in mind, that the area, you have to find the area of the base separate from the area of the three sides, just to keep in mind. All right, you're like, yeah, level 1. Level 2, I'm giving you the grid with dimensions instead of grid paper. So if I look at, here we go. All right. So I have a square pyramid. I said square. I meant triangular pyramid. Put my point at the top. Okay. The net tells me it unfolds into, I have this triangular base, and then I have a square off the top. Again, a triangle. I cannot talk. A triangle off this side and a triangle off this side. And this makes sense, right? We kind of see that squeeze in the middle like we saw when we unfolded the net last time. In this triangle, these sides are all 6 inches long along the base of the pyramid. The heights of these triangles are all 8 inches. These are all 8 inches. But this guy has a funny height. Its height is 5.2 inches. So, you know me, have a plan of attack. I always do the base first. So, the area of the base, is going to be 1/2 times 6 times 5.2, base height. I know that 1/2 times 6 is 3. 3 times 5.2 is 15.6 inches squared. Now the sides, good news, are all the same. Hooray! And all of the sides will follow the same rule, that we will do 1/2 times the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 8. And again, I know that 1/2 times 6 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24 inches squared. And I know that there are 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, that are also going to be 24 inches and 24 inches because they're identical sides. Okay? So my last step is to add these up. I know that 24 times 3 is 72. And then I just got to add my 15.6. Remember that when we add decimals, we line up the dot and give it all we got. If we don't see a dot here, we can add one on the end if that makes us feel better. 6.78, 87.6 inches squared is the surface area of that triangular prism, pyramid. Doggone it, I can't talk. All right, last, level 3. Woo. You guys are going to be sick of hearing me say the levels by now. Well, good news, we're almost done. All right, and that is to be able to look at just the 3D figure without the net. Now, you can draw your own net, but they're just saying they're not giving it to you. So let's do, this one looks like a hot mess. So let's try it. I'm just trying to figure out what is going on here. Okay, so we're going to start off with 9 centimeters. Each of the sides are 9 centimeters. We're drawing our dot. We're going to attach the sides and the corners to the dot. All right, this is where it gets a little dicey. So the height of the 3 triangles that are standing up, all of those triangles have a height of 7 inches. So this has a height of 7 inches, this has a height of 7 inches. Okay? The triangle on the bottom has a height of, which I know that does not, trust me that that's at a 90-degree angle to the base. That one has a height of 7.8 inches. All right, so here we go. We're getting after it again. Area of a triangle. 1/2 times the base times the height. So I'm going to start with the bottom. The base is 1/2 times 9 times 7.8. Okay, it might be helpful to do 9 times 7.8. Calculator. 9 times 7.8 equals 70.2. Now I can just divide that by 2. Is the same as multiplying by half. I get 35.1. What are we doing? Centimeters squared. And I have to do a side, and the good news is all the sides will be the same. 1/2 times base of 9 times height of 7 equals, well, I know 9 times 7 is 63. Divided by 2 is 31.5. Interesting how they have the same numbers just mixed around. And I have 1, 2, 3 sides like that. Add those all together. I can do 31.5 plus 31.5 plus 31.5 plus 35.1 equals 129.6 centimeters squared. Hooray!